Welcome to the third video for Chapter 1. In this screencast, we'll begin looking at some of the principles of taxonomy. Systematics, or the older term taxonomy, is that branch of science that deals with the naming and the classification of organisms. Worldwide, taxonomists assign unique names to each species of organism. They also describe a set of characteristics that can be used to distinguish the species. Classification of organisms involves determining how the species is related to other organisms. The scientific name of a species is used consistently among scientists worldwide. Regardless of where they're from or what language they speak, we all use the same Latinized scientific names. Species names are always binomials, composed of two words. The first name, for example, Homo, is the name of the genus an organism belongs to. The second name, for example, sapiens, is the specific epithet. The scientific binomial for the human species is both words, Homo sapiens. Organisms are classified by placing them in a hierarchy of categories. Think of these categories as a series of nested boxes, with smaller boxes arranged in larger boxes. The more categories two organisms share in common, the more closely related they're considered to be. Let's start with the largest, the most general category, domain. Taxonomists currently use three domains to classify all living things. These domains are archaea, bacteria, and eukarya. Archaeans are single-celled, bacteria-like organisms. They're commonly called extremophiles because they often live in extreme environments. Bacteria are also single-celled, or perhaps colonies of cells. Some are pathogens, but others are beneficial. Finally, all plants, animals, fungi, and protistans belong to the third domain called eukarya. Pictured on top are two deep ocean hydrothermal vents. Bottom left is a hot spring at Yellowstone National Park, and the lower right picture is from the Salt Plains east of Alva. Archaeans can be found in living in these extreme environments. Pictured here are three examples of bacteria. The shape of the cells is one characteristic commonly used to classify bacteria. Cocci are round bacteria. For example, Staphylococcus is a very common bacteria found on your body. Bacilli are shaped like little sausages. E. coli and the bacteria that cause tetanus and anthrax are bacilli. Finally, Spirilla are spiral-shaped. Chlamydia and Lyme disease are caused by Spirilla bacteria. The organisms you are most likely to be familiar with belong to the domain eukarya. One characteristic that they all share in common is nuclei inside the cells. The nucleus is where most of the DNA, in other words, the genetic information, is located. Break time!